In this video, we are going to see how we basically can start up and chat on Claude. So hopefully you have already created your account. If not, you can check out my other video on how you can create an account or sign up to Claude, how you can download this application and start for free. So once you have logged in and signed in with your Google account, you get this interface where on the left hand side you have all of your chats saved. Just like ChatGPT, you can manage your projects, you can customize it however you want, you can browse and install or connect to your different apps to automate your systems. We have a lot of list, so it's pretty powerful and it is much more powerful than ChatGPT. But let's just get started and let's see the basics on how we can chat on the Claude. First of all, we'll click on the new chat. We are already in the main interface in the new chat. So let's ask and create something simple from Claude. Here we have a chat box, just like ChatGPT, and we will write a simple prompt like write a professional proposal for software implementation by Upskill-Education. And if you want to mention some of the points that it should cover, you can mention it here as well. Also, you have the option to dictate it. You just press and hold and you can record your voice and it will transcribe that for you. Let's hit go. And unlike ChatGPT, it will ask you further questions that before I draft this, I want to make sure I'm framing it in the way you need. What kind of software is Upskill-Education implementing? I'll write something else and let's write accounting software. And I'll choose a client is buying this software. Do you want this to be as downloadable Word document or show in chat here? Let me just click on show it in chat here. Click on this and now I've answered a couple of questions that Claude asked and it will create a perfect proposal for you. And let's say that once it is complete, my client name is missing and now I want to mention my client company. So for example, Structure Health and Fitness is my client. Fill it in. So as soon as I hit enter, it will do a revised proposal for us, mentioning our client name as well, just like ChatGPT. So this is the first example of what Claude can do. Let's start a new chat and let's take an example of whether or not we can just simply add a file and let Claude summarize this for us. So I'm gonna add file or photos, whatever you want. And here, for the sake of example, I have this complete 823 pages worth of PDF file. That is QuickBooks, the missing manual. It's a very detailed guide, but let's say that I just want it to summarize from 1 to page 20. Let's see if Claude is able to handle this. I'll just upload this. Can you summarize important points from page 1 to page 20 in this manual? Hit enter and it will read the relevant pages really fast. And let's see the processing time. And as you can see, it has identified that it has 823 pages. It is now extracting the information from page 1 to 20. And now it has started extracting some bullet points. And look at this, guys. It is able to identify and chunk down page number 0 to 20. And now it is asking, do you want to summarize next pages like 21 to 40? So these are some of the basic uses for Claude. Just subscribe to my channel for all the upcoming videos related to Claude. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.